Hey guys, it's Ellie
and Kayla and Maya.
Today we are
swimming. As you can tell in the beginning of the video, we were swimming. And there's a lot of things going on right now. It's 105 degrees right now, guys.
well, not right now. It was 100 degrees earlier. Hi Maya.
And right now we were dying in our living room, literally.
We don't have central AC. So this is my grandmother's pool.
Yeah.
Otherwise you would have seen it a lot earlier. A lot. Trust me. So this is just a circle of it here. Let me just turn in a circle. Oh, Maya, stop it!
Hello. Okay, so we're gonna have the camera. So let's give it a swim, yeah?
Yeah, Maya,
Okay, so can
get off of me. No, stop. Maya, mommy, she's
I can't.
Okay, now you can stand. Ready?
Hold up, I can't see. Okay, let's turn around. Oh my gosh, okay, that's funny. Wait, go.
Okay.
So that's
it.
That's just the pool. Today's gonna be
Let's
a
go to the
shorter one.
jacuzzi.
Okay. But today's gonna be a shorter one. We just wanted to show you, okay? So thank you guys. Bye bye. See you next time. Bye bye.